Have you got a minute? Let's make this. Cinnamon roll pancakes. Flapjacks never tasted so good, served with fruit and juice on the side. Here's what you'll need. For the pancakes, your favorite recipe or box mix, including the milk, egg, and oil required. Now for the magic, the cinnamon swirl. You'll need brown sugar, melted butter, and cinnamon. Mix it all together, then pour it into a piping or zippered bag. If you want to top the pancakes like a cinnamon roll, mix together powdered sugar, butter, cream cheese, and vanilla. Blend it well and put that in a piping bag too. Once you have the batter, cinnamon swirl, and frosting, you're ready to make pancakes. In a skillet on low heat, pour about 1/3 cup of pancake batter. Wait for the bubbles to form. Then make a pinwheel with the cinnamon swirl. Flip the pancake over and let it cook for a few minutes. Then carefully remove it to a plate. Make a stack of them, either swirl with the icing over top or try them the old-fashioned way with maple syrup. Cinnamon roll pancakes, breakfast perfection. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.